Why declutter your desktop?
A cluttered digital desktop makes it harder to find files and slows you down. Organizing your workspace can boost productivity, reduce distractions, and make your computer feel faster. A tidy desktop also helps you maintain focus and improves your workflow. In this guide, you'll learn simple, actionable steps to achieve and maintain an organized, efficient workspace.
Step 1. Remove unnecessary files.
Start by clearing everything off your desktop. Delete files and shortcuts you no longer need. Move rarely used documents to folders elsewhere, such as your Documents or Downloads folders. If you're unsure about a file, create a temporary folder called To Sort to review it later. This first pass reduces clutter quickly.
Step 2. Create a logical folder structure.
Set up folders that reflect how you work. For example, you might use folders named Work, Personal, and Projects. Inside each, add subfolders for specific topics or dates. This makes it easy to file documents as you receive them and speeds up future searches. Keep folder names short but descriptive.
Step 3. Move and organize remaining files.
Write files from your desktop into the folders you've created. Take a moment to rename files with clear, meaningful names if needed. For ongoing tasks, use a folder like Active or Current instead of leaving files in plain view. Strive to keep only shortcuts or tools you use every day on your desktop.
Step 4. Keep it clean with daily habits.
Spend a minute at the end of each day to tidy up new downloads or files. Move items to the right folders and empty the trash if needed. Set a weekly reminder to review your desktop for lingering files. With small, regular efforts, your workspace will stay clean and organized.
Step 5. Tips for ongoing file organization.
Consider using desktop widgets or built-in sorting options to keep things visually tidy. Use cloud storage for important documents to access them from any device and avoid losing files. Regularly back up your data to prevent accidental loss. With these simple habits, a clean, productive desktop becomes second nature.